Okay, we're pretty happy with our progress here. We just got the door panel in. This one took a little bit of sort of rocking back and forth. We had to hammer on the top a little bit on the side to get it to slide over, but we got it in place nicely. I wanted to point this out too. This particular customer originally ordered the sauna outfitted with an external control box. And so this is how we prepare for that. You can see these conduits running down there. This is what the electrician deals with when he does the final connections. But the customer changed his mind, and so what we're going to do is just put a cover plate over this like that, and where the conduit go up and stick out the top up here, we're just going to cut those off, and those will be decommissioned. So we're now going to have a heater with built-in controls, and we got everything we need for that, so that's not a problem. A lot of conduit going on up here, so you have to trim the top plates accordingly to fit into the little spaces up there like we did before. And we got the last panel here that we're going to fit in. Okay, drop down nicely.